Hello engineers, developers, and friends. I'm Ken Briota, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and we are here at Embedded World 2026, checking out some of the coolest and most interesting bits of technology and companies anywhere in the embedded industry, which brings me right here to the Cincoze booth and my good friend Daniel. Daniel, welcome.
Thanks for having me.
Oh, the pleasure's entirely mine. We're here in front of your industrial panel, PC, and monitor display, because I know you've got something really interesting to tell us about.
Yes, definitely. We are talking about the new CV-200 series. So, long story short, wide bezel and slim bezel. The slim edge make it more space for you when you are integrating into the system, and you have more surface area. And also, from 10 to 21 inches, the surface is anti-glare coated. So in a strong light like this, it's easier to see the content on the panel. And I would like to also point out our patent CDS technology, which is convertible display system. So we convert all the signals on the computer onto one socket.
Wow. So it's just one input-output.
Yes. And traditionally, if you want to buy different all-in-one panel PC, you need to choose a computer of this size, and this size.
Yes.
But with a Cincoze design, all you need to do is just choose the computer model, which we have entry level, we have high performance computer, and you choose your desired panel size, which is from 10 to 21 inches.
Wow.
And if you turn it around, and all you need to do is just configure the computer, put it on, and there you go. So this really enables our customer to have the flexibility to configure as they want. And also for future upgrade, they have the flexibility to use the latest model onto the existing panel. Yeah. And also, what's worth mentioning is, inevitably you need maintenance.
Of course.
Of course, we all need maintenance, but machine downtime is our concern.
Yeah.
And also you have to send engineers to the field to talk about it and to work on it. It's a lot of cost, hidden cost.
Oh yeah.
The total cost of ownership.
Yeah.
So what we do with Cincoze system, all you need to do, remove the defect piece, you get the spare part with exactly the same configuration, you put it back on, do the cable, everything is up and running in 10 minutes.
Incredible. That's as little downtime as you can imagine.
Absolutely.
So we're talking about industrial situations.
Yes.
What are some of the target markets where you're seeing your customers using these?
Excellent question. So because it's designed to install in a harsh environment and critical applications. Yeah. So one challenge that's constantly facing is the EMC interference from other devices.
Of course.
The entire system is certified with the IEC 61000 EMC certification. So don't worry about it integrating next to the devices. It will have stable performance and reliable equipment for your performance.
Yeah, the modularity is obviously really important, really cool. It lets customers' systems grow. What are some of your favorite features that you like talking about with the customers?
Oh, I really love it when I mention the front panel, as you can see here. The previous generation is IP65,
right,
which allows some water on it, but the new generation is upgraded to IP66 front panel.
Okay.
And also we have the wet tracking, which means even if you're washing down the screen, there'll be no problem with the touch panel.
Oh, wow.
So you can you can integrate it into a food factory, in a meat slaughterhouse, for example, where hygiene is one of the key factors, and they need to wash the entire production line.
Yeah.
And with our product, you don't have to worry about it.
Or even in a healthcare facility, for instance.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the backlight supports up to 50,000 operating hours. So it's really a long-lasting, reliable device, and ready to be used, ready to be integrated into your system.
That's incredible. Daniel, thank you so much for taking us through this. Really appreciate it.
No, thank you for having me. And for more information, please reach your local distributor or visit Cincoze.com.
Folks, thank you so much for joining us. I've been Ken Briota, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design and your host. Don't go away. So much coming to you from Embedded World 2026.